Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading ito for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto naman po sa akin, Madam, Space P, space pa sa dulo. Yan, isearch mo yan sa Facebook. Mas madali kasi siyang isearch kung may space sa dulo. So, yan. If you want to avail yung aming products, Unipree, UNI, PRI. Let's start the reading. Pa-comment nyo sa baba. Ma-appreciate ko yung likes, comments, and shares. And please do subscribe, guys. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Main energy, clock is here, and the hand of cards. Okay. Virgo. Kunin din natin yung sa person mo na. Who is this person that you're dealing with? And you do have here the engagement ring, cassette. And ano yung meron sa connection na to? Situation ng, yung pinaka-connection ninyo dalawa. You do have your labyrinth. Feelings is here. Yeah, I feel like this person or yung connection ninyo nito is you're taking your time, both of you. I don't know if this is matagal na or bagong connection. If this is matagal na connection, I feel like medyo maraming pasikot-sikot tong connection na to, no? Parang hindi pa siya magtuloy sa kung saan niya tutuluyan talaga. Yeah, and if this is bago pa, whether bago or lumang connection, like matagal na connection, I can see that maybe one of the reason kung bakit hindi pa siya pwede ituloy-tuloy is we do have here the snake, so maybe there's other, I'm seeing this as competition, so maybe there's a third party, there's another person, there's choices with the keys on a ring. Pero nakikita natin, both of you like each other. Gusto ninyo yung isa't isa, but it's like with a hand of cards, hindi mo siya pwedeng madaliin tong connection na to. No? Kasi pag minadali mo, pwedeng hindi mo alam kung ano yung magiging kasunod agad. So, it's like you're waiting for your turn. No, yung iba sa inyo, maybe if there's another person sa side ng person mo, parang inaghihintay ka ng tama pagkakataon or ng turn mo, no, para magkaroon ng connection sa inyo ng person na to. So you're like, okay lang, nandito lang ako. I'm willing to wait, ganong kind of energy. And then your person is like, I feel like this person, lagi kanyang iniisip eh. Hindi ka nawawala sa isip niya. And this person wants unity sa inyong dalawa. Union. But, sabi ko nga, pwedeng sa ngayon, medyo mahirap lagpasan or umalis sa situation agad-agad. Dahil, lalo na if there's another person involved. Maybe the other person is hindi siya basta-basta pwedeng iwan. Or may paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa kanila. So, medyo mahirap. But you're taking your time. Hindi ka naman nagmamadali. Pero nandun yung you are willing na mag-take ng risk sa person na ito. Sa inyong dalawa, actually, mas nakikita natin yung pag-iisip niya lagi sa'yo. Lagi kanya naalala. So, pwede may mga nababanggit or nasasabi ka rin sa kanya or nasabi ka sa kanya na parang paulit-ulit na pumapasok or paulit-ulit niyang naririnig sa utak niya yun. Yung kung ano man yung mga bagay na sinabi mo sa kanya. Okay. So, I don't know if nakapagpa-palm reading ka na dati. Or before watching this video, meron kang kumbaga nanood ka ng mga readings na may kinalaman sa palm reading, or nakapagpa-palm reading ka na dati. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito. You do have your healthy choices, palm tree, date and coffin. Bottom of the deck is paradise. And you do have here the cherish. Cherish your relationship. So, emotions ninyo sa ngayon, you are being, flexible. Kung saan mailagay yung connection ninyo, whether may connection, communication, pagka walang communication, sige, okay lang. You're just focusing on yourself, self-care, kung ano pa yung mga maigo-grow mo pa sa sarili mo. This person could be nagkakaroon ng transition sa kanya. No? I feel like may mga endings na nangyari sa kanya na parang kailangan baguhin or ayusin ko yung sarili ko eh. So, ayun. Kaya, etong connection na to pwedeng mahina or hindi pa siya ganun ka-strong ngayon, sabihin na natin ganun, especially the connection, communication. Yun ay dahil pareho naman kasi kayo nakakonsentrate sa kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. And you're just enjoying kung anong meron. No, whether nandyan yung person na to, wala. Basta ine-enjoy mo lang. Okay, so yung iba may communication. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Mask, love call is here. The butterfly and the sunglasses. Bottom of the deck is the heartbroken. Followed by the wedding rings. Deeply is at the bottom of the deck, and then yung last card is embrace. So, sa ngayon, or in the future, nakita tayo dito ng someone will be pretending, hindi magiging honest pagdating sa emotions niya, or hindi, yung iba hindi naman hindi magiging honest, pero hindi aaminin. You know? And, kasi, nandun yung ayaw masaktan. Kasi pag ginawa ko to, sinabi ko to, baka masaktan lang ako. So, nandun yung pag-iingat. And in the future, it could be you, it could be the both of you. Hindi ko masabi ko sino. But I feel like there's a strong or like you are there for each other. Nandyan kayo para sa isa't isa. Kind of energy, like best friend or sister, brother kind of connection. The butterfly is here, so nakakita tayo ng growth dito sa connection na to. And at the same time, as an individual, kanya-kanyang growth ninyo sa inyong sarili. Okay? So, I want to get more card regarding sa kung ano yung mag-grow sa'yo, kasi since ito yung parang mas nakikita natin na para sa inyo. So, you do have your Cupid's arrow. So, ito yung pwede mag-grow sa'yo in the near future. Tell me more. Followed by the self-indulgence. So, kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon sa sarili mo, work mo sa sarili mo, you're working hard to achieve this new diet. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga bago kang ginawa regarding sa diet mo, no? Yung iba from rice, shifting to a healthier way of eating. And yung iba kung may kinalaman sa gym, etc., no? Pagpapayat. Yung iba naman could be talent na um, mas ini-enhance. Nakikita natin yung possibility ng pag in-enhance mo yon, may growth not only sa'yo mismo as a person, but rather yung patutunguhan mo. Like for example, in the future, pwedeng pagkakitaan mo tong kung ano man tong ini-enhance or ginagrow mo sa sarili mo. Or maybe with regards to your career. So, may additional or dagdag in the future for you. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.